Quality of tubes and binomial distribution. We will apply to the quality of tubes into binomial distribution. So this is case study 3. Thank you for watching. A quality inspector picks a sample of 10 tubes at random from a very large shipment of tubes known to contain 20% defective tubes. What is the probability that no more than 2 of the tubes picked are defective? So here the number of trials is 10, the probability is 0.2, and no more than 2 of the tubes picked are defective. That means we can have 0 tubes becoming defective, that means no defectives, 1 tube becoming defective and 2 tubes becoming defective. So that's our case study. So let's jump in, and if you have watched our video on jobs hiring and binomial distribution, we'll follow the same pattern. So let's go in. So here we are. So the number of trials is 10. The probability of success is 0.2. It is 0 is success, 1 and 2. And here it is a combined, which is n choose x, so that is b1 b3. So this is b1 and this is b3. 10 c0, 10 c1, that is 10 choose 1 and 10 choose 2. So this is the first term, p to the power x. So p is 0.2, so it is b2 b3. So it is b2 b3 power of that. So this is p to the power x, p is 0.2 and success is 0. So it is p to the power x. Here also it is 0.2 to the power 1 and it is 0.2 to the power 2. So and then again 1 minus p, that is 1 minus p n minus x. So this is a 1. So here it is b1 minus b3. b1 minus b3. So this is this term, and then we multiply all these three together and then we add them up, and the answer is 0.6778. So in summary, what we have done, what are the number of trials? That is 10. What is the probability of success in this case, but it's actually defective, so it is 0.2. And what are the items that we are saying? 0, 1 and 2. And this is how we are calculating it. So, so this is how we are doing it, and we are seeing this. So how we have used it? We have used our Excel as a calculator. We have not calculated manually, but we have done it through Excel. So again to revisit, so this is the first term, this is the second term, p to the power x, and this is a next term, that is 1 minus p n minus x. So this is how we have done it. Hope you liked the lecture. Next we will go on to the next problem. Here it is, an inspection engineer picks a sample of 15 items at random, 15 items at random from a manufacturing process known to produce 35% acceptable items. What is the probability that 10 of the items picked are acceptable? So here n, the number of trials is 15, the success is 0.85 and the success is 10. So here it is again n choose x. So this is the first term. The second term, p to the power x, so that is 0.85 to the power 10, and it is 1 minus p n minus x, so this is a 1, and then we multiply it together, and so this is a 1. So hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.